Namaste. Definitely the first time, but our team has been visiting Salesforce events, various events as well, and I think we were there last year also for the same Sydney World Tour event. Oh, very excited, like really excited, because most of our interaction has always been online. Even though we switch on the videos, but I feel when you actually meet the customer, there's always a personal touch that comes with it, and this is something we were always craving for. As a personal salesperson, I do crave for that personal touch, and I think this is the perfect opportunity to meet them, to understand them, and have that personal touch as well. Which session? I would say the theatre session, because from our team X-Files Pro, Harish and Rakesh are gonna give that session, and I think it's gonna be a very beautiful session because we are gonna specifically focus on how you can, as a Salesforce user, manage your files and documents better using an application, move it to your external storage, and how you can make your whole life simpler using the file management solution that we have. Thank you so much, everyone, and do meet us at our booth in Sydney World Tour this year. Happy to meet you and excited to meet you all.